building a bird feeder out of a wine bottle and pallet wood. Now, if you don't have pallet wood, you could use a hardwood flooring, 2x4, 2x6. Instead of a wine bottle, you could use an olive oil bottle or any glass bottle that you have at home. To get started, you might need a drill, drywall nails or wood nails, and an electric screw gun, tape measure, pliers or something, that wire cutters, some sort of wire, or a clothes hanger works also. And then of course bird feed. So let's start with our back piece, and we're going to line up the bottom piece to match. We're going to put our screws there and just line it up. Let's put all 3 screws, line them up first. So when you drill, you want to make sure the first piece, the screw goes straight through, and then the bottom piece of wood, we used a little smaller drill bit. So everything's pre-drilled. Okay, so we got our bottom piece on. So now let's go ahead and do our side pieces, which we labeled A and B. Do the back part first. Okay, we're going to go ahead and screw that first side in. Let's go ahead and get the other side. To line that up. Great. Now we'll just get the bottom piece on. Got all the screws in. So we see in the back we have 2 here, and we have 3 at the bottom. We have these 2. Now it's time to add our wire. Just go ahead and feed it right through the top 2 holes. This is where we're going to hang it from the tree, or you can hang it from a hook. Just feed it right through there. Just tie it. Wrap it around in the back. And now we will feed our wine bottle holder in. And this is just, if you don't have regular wire, you can use a clothes hanger. Feed that right in. And this is just holding the bottle in place, so it doesn't have to be super strong or super heavy. We'll put a piece here, and this holds the lip of the bottle up, so it keeps it off the bottom of the feeder. So that way the food can slip down. There we go. Tighten that, and oops, did this one pop out? There we go. Tighten this one. It's a little tight. See, it's tightened in the back, and then we're ready to go ahead and hang our bird feeder. Thanks so much for joining me for Crafter's Corner.